Microsoft Word. Computers are used for different purposes, and one purpose is documentation. It means creating text-based computerized documents. To do this, we use word processing software which helps us to create high-quality text documents. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processing software. We use a notebook to write words and sentences. In the same way, Microsoft Word allows us to type the text on a computer. What is word processing? It is the process of creating presentable text documents. It means the process of creating, editing, or formatting text documents is known as word processing. Microsoft Word offers many powerful tools for documentation, which makes it one of the most popular word processor. What can we do with MS Word? Type text as well as add pictures in document. Make changes in the text such as inserting, deleting, copying and moving the text. Give a presentable look to the text by using different colors, styles and effects. Can keep the document error-free by using spelling and grammar features. Find and replace the text. Set margins, spacing, paper size, page borders easily and give a neat look to the document. Save the text for future use. Print part of the document or the entire document. Now let's see how to open MS Word. To open MS Word for the first time is depending upon your operating system or the Word version you are using. So now let's see. On computer screen, bottom left hand corner is a search button. Type W-O-R-D Word. I am using Microsoft 365. Word 2010 and higher are almost very similar. Now click on the Word. It opens with a template window. Now click on the blank document. We will get this window open. Here two things are open. One is MS Word program and the other is a blank document. Here is a blank document. Now let's see the components of MS Word. So first one is the title bar. The title bar is on top of the screen. This one is the title bar. It displays the name of the application, which is Word, and shows the current document. It shows the document 1 because we did not save and give a name to the document. On the right side of the title bar, 3 buttons are there. It's a minimize, this is maximize and the close button. And on the left side of the title bar is a quick access bar. It contains the frequently used buttons like save, undo and redo. Next is the ribbon. This is called the ribbon. This whole area is called the ribbon. It is just below the title bar. Ribbon has two parts, upper ribbon and the lower ribbon. Upper ribbon is also known as the menu bar and it contains several tabs like File, Home, Insert, Draw, design, layout, and other. Now this is the lower ribbon, and the lower ribbon is also known as toolbar. The lower ribbon changes according to which tab is selected in the top ribbon. Now next component is a status bar. It is at the bottom of the word window. This is a status bar. It displays the page number, number of words, the zoom, and many other options are there. Now let's see the scroll bar. There are two scroll bar in the window. At the right side is a vertical scroll bar. This is a vertical scroll bar. You can move the document up and down with the help of the vertical scroll bar. And the bottom of the window is the horizontal scroll bar. This is horizontal scroll bar. You can move right or left using the horizontal scroll bar. Now the next component is cursor. Here is a cursor. It is a blinking vertical line which shows the current typing position in the document.